There are so many CMS and website builders already in the market, like WordPress, Wix, Shopify, Squarespace, and many more. There are also so many app builders in the market that help you build mobile apps without coding and technical expertise. But tell me honestly, are you still able to build a professional website or a mobile app for your business or your clients without worrying the cost and technical aspects even in this 2024? Yeah, because most of them are either not in your budget, they cost hefty monthly subscription fees, or there are still so many technical aspects. Smart blocks have stepped 5 to 10 steps further and streamlined the process of building websites and apps for any market or any business person by incorporating only those features and integrations that are really helpful for businesses. So let's dive deeper into this platform and find out whether or not Smart Blocks is useful for you and worth your investments. SmartBloks is a new platform that uses AI technology to help users create websites and mobile apps easily without needing to know how to code. You can input a keyword, answer a few questions, or import existing websites to create your own customized sites. The platform offers features like creating blogs, e-commerce stores, and more, all with AI generated content and graphics. Smart blocks also allow you to sell websites to local businesses and offers the opportunity to start a website development business. The platform emphasizes the potential for profit in the website creation industry, highlighting the high demand for websites and mobile apps. You can easily customize uh, by adding logos, changing themes, and incorporating various drag and drop building blocks. Basically, smart blocks uh, aims to simplify the website creation process and make it accessible to individuals like you without technical expertise. If I talk how to use this smart blocks, so well, it claims that it can be done into just three easy steps. I would that is not true. There are so many process, and yeah, it is very easy, very streamlined, but there is a process. So smart blocks is a platform that allows you to create and customize websites quickly and easily. You can log into the SmartBloks dashboard, enter a keyword, or choose from AI generated website templates. If a keyword is entered, you need to answer a few questions to have SmartBloks build a customized website that can be further personalized. And if a template is chosen, you can preview and customize it using a drag and drop editor, then save and publish it within minutes. SmartBloks offers the option to host the website on their server with a subdomain or use a custom domain. And the platform also provides SEO optimization, mobile optimization, and Google friendly features, resulting in professional looking website that is live and includes a PWA app. If you don't know about PWA app, so let me simplify you. So it is basically, in case you are unaware of this, PWA app, mobile app is basically a special type of website that can also work like a mobile app on any device. It helps improve the experience of using a website on a mobile phone and increasing sales in an online store. PWAs use modern web technologies to give you a more app-like experience even when offline. They can be installed on a device like a mobile app without needing to download from an app store. So you don't need to pay $25 to Google Play Store or Apple App Store. PWA are made to be reliable, engaging for users, similar to regular apps, but without the hassle of downloading or installing from an app store. They are faster, more reliable, and provide a better experience for app users. And now let's talk about its features. So, just a moment. SmartBloks is a website building platform that offers modern technology enhanced performance, and diverse design options. It provides customizable websites with a wide selection of templates, monthly updates, and 100 plus templates for almost every industry. The platform includes lots of features, tons of features, turning websites into PWA app, integrating autoresponders, managing bookings and appointments, blogging tools, e-commerce support, and performance improvement and the performance improvements over previous versions. SmartBloks also offers workspace management, uh, personalized website creation with AI, ADA compliance tools, and AI writer for content generation, team collaboration features, an extensive design library, Canva integration, and advanced SEO tools. Let me also tell you about its technical features. There are so many features it has. So I'm just announcing the main primary features of it. This blocks offers a range of additional technical features like an AI assistant named Anna for website creation, over 100 uh, template designs, a responsive editor with drag and drop functionality, uh, support for custom domain integration, in-depth website performance analytics, and integration with tools like Google Analytics and Facebook features. It also has extensive ADA compliance features, design tools like autosave and custom fonts, lead capture functionality, and so many more. You can see my screen here. There are list of so many features of payment gateways, uh, customer feedbacks, SSL security, hosting, multi-language support. There are tons and tons of features. So let me skip this part and let's go with its integrations. So the main integration in smart blocks include features for site integrations like membership site creation, e-commerce site creation, blogging, business website creation, local business website creation, booking and reservation website creation. Additionally, there are more integrations like payment gateways, video platforms, autoresponder services, analytics tools like Google Analytics, Facebook Pixel, as I said, Canva, CRM systems, social media platforms, SEO tools, area compliance tools, cloud hosting services, and many more. So, who can get benefit from this? So, SmartBloks can benefit digital marketers or local marketers looking to start a website development agency, newbie marketers who are looking to create their first website without coding or any technical expertise, affiliate marketers for promoting products, video marketers wanting to showcase their videos, and bloggers and YouTubers can also be beneficial from this SmartBloks uh, if they are looking for a professional platform to showcase their content. SmartBloks offers two main primary options. First is SmartBloks Starter, and the second one is SmartBloks Commercial. So first one, SmartBloks Starter, cost you $45, and they claim that their second option, SmartBloks Commercial, originally cost $67, but for a limited time period, it is available at just $49. So we are not sure whether the price will increase or not. But if you want to enjoy this discount, you need to use a coupon code websites. Here it is, this one, websites. So you can use this coupon code while purchasing to get the discount. And if I talk about its upsells, so there are five primary upsells. Yeah, this one. So apart from the two plans of front end pricing, there are five smart blocks upsells. The first one is this one. Yeah, this one. Smart blocks ultimate. The second one is smart blocks professional. The third is smart blocks enterprise. Fourth is smart blocks white label, and fifth is smart blocks done for you. So the done for with the done for you this plan, with the smart, you will be getting access to their done for you resource kit and their team will give access to ready-made 100 local business websites plus apps, custom logo creation for your clients, and they will set up your first personal websites for absolutely free. Yeah, that's right. And now let me tell you about its bonuses. So its bonuses are really valuable. They are premium bonuses, so you will get four premium bonuses with the smart blocks, and they are really valuable. The first one is article to voice creator, means it will convert any of your article into a human like voice. The second bonus is course table traffic blaster. The third bonus is SEO Software Pro, and the fourth is commercial license. So they are basically offering you commercial license so that you can sell your created websites and mobile apps to any of the other business person and get the profit for yourself. And now it's time about my personal opinion, how I think that smart blocks is whether smart blocks is helpful for you or not. So see, smart blocks is one another player among other prominent website builders, funnel builders, and CMS like WordPress, and they also compete with the other AIWA, Pixel Armor AI, Webilo, Site Builder, sorry. But the best part is that smart blocks has tons of integrations and has only those features which is really helpful for businesses and marketers. There are tons of useful features and integrations without much technical aspects. And there are two additional things that I really liked about smart blocks, and that is it can really build websites with just a few keywords, and it converts any website into a mobile app within a couple of minutes. And plus it also set itself apart from major platforms with its one-time affordable fee, whereas most of others charge you a monthly subscription fee. So yes, smart blocks is worth your money, and if you need to build websites for your business or others businesses. So that's it for today, and I will see you in another product launch. Whenever you need to know the review or know the honest opinion about any product, come to my profile or come to uh, visit again this YouTube channel, and I will see you in another product launch. Bye bye. Take care.